Okay guys, so here we are. This is a 2020 BMW X5, and the thing here is giving some trouble. So I figured out how you could reset it and get it to work again. Sometimes it's frozen, your remote app won't work, so you have to reset the iDrive. The problem is here on the iDrive system. You need to reset this thing. You know what I mean? You have to try it one time. Sometimes it doesn't work. You try it 2 times, but you guarantee you try it 3 times, it is gonna work. You understand? Most people in Canada is having this issue after the latest update on the app, but the problem is not with the app, it's with this thing. Okay, so here's how you're gonna do it. You're gonna hold on to the power button for 70 seconds. I have a stopwatch here that I'm gonna put on the screen just now. You're gonna need to hold the power button for about 70 seconds, or even more. You could do maybe 1 minute and 15 seconds, but basically more than a minute, at least 70 seconds. So I got my stopwatch here. I'm gonna just put this to start, and you're gonna press and hold this for 70 seconds. Okay, so here you're gonna make it run. You know, you want to hold on to it, don't let go, and then you have your stopwatch running. So you want to make sure it goes way past 70 seconds. You understand? See, I just got my cake there, you know. Happy New Year's, by the way. Just got my cake. You know, I'm gonna cut that up just now. Ringing the New Year's on some cake, you know what I mean? So yeah, so just got this X5. Everything is working except for that, what do you call it? Remote thing on the app. So this is how I got it fixed the last time. Now it stopped working. I did some coding, and then I think I lost connection with it again. So I'm gonna reset it to see what happens. So here we are, the stopwatch already gone 1 minute already, 10 seconds. You know, I'm gonna make it run it to 15 seconds to make sure. But yeah, so I lost mine because I did some coding. I put in my little M symbol on the dash there and all kinds of crap. You know, program my lights, my daytime running lights. I'm gonna make more videos and show you guys how to do all those cool stuff you can with the app, the Beamer Code app. I'm gonna make some more videos, so please like and subscribe for more new videos I'm gonna put in. This is a BMW X5, the G05. Not many videos are on YouTube with this. So yeah, so 1 minute and 30 seconds actually. I overdid it. So yeah, you let it go and then power it on. Now after you do that, what you want to do next, you want to go over to this part here that says apps, and then when you go there, you're not going to click anything. You go put it on there, then you're going to press the option pad right here. So hold on, turn the music off a little bit. You're going to go home, you're going to go over the app section right here. Oh yeah, you clicked it. Sorry, you're supposed to click it. When you click it, that part that says install app, you want to press options on this screen. So you press options, and it says update apps and service. Now it's blurred out, right? Okay, so you go back and then you try it again. Okay, so now if it's blurred out, all you have to do is go back, try it again. Then you press update apps and services. Once you do this, I'm gonna update your apps and services. Let it run, let it run, let it run. Yeah, here I got my little M symbol there. Yeah, and then voila, transferring data. So it's taking a little bit of time, but you'll see when it's done. You go there. Yeah, this thing is nice. See, I'm rocking some Skillibeng right now. Shout out to Skillibeng, by the way, one of my artists. So you want to make sure this runs until it's finished, I guess. You know what I mean? So take a look around in the meantime. You know, the X5, I got the moonroof, sunroof actually. You know, this has quite a few features. Okay, so it says apps and services updated. Then you want to close it. All right, now when you do that, you want to go to the part that says car settings. You're gonna go car, go on car. You're gonna go to settings. Then you want to go to general settings. Then okay, so you go general settings. From general settings, you go to data privacy. when you go data privacy, you want to go on the one that says individual selection. Okay, now on here you want to make sure you have the one that says safeguard mobility. Make sure that's checked off. Okay, so everything else checked on, you know, my BMW app, whatever, traffic, this, that, blah, blah, blah. Check all those, everything else, except you can even choose these two if you want, but you know, just make sure this one is checked off. Okay, you go back. Once you go back, you go home, then the app on your phone, you're gonna delete and reinstall the app. Okay, now I already deleted my app and reinstall it. So what I'm gonna go on the app now and show you. So you want to click the app, you go on the app here, code obviously, and then so here it says updating from whatever. So now what I want to do is even show my windows open. Okay, so I want to go check status
on it,
and then unlock. I click lock and
still on it,
unlock button. So it's gonna take a little while for you for it to work, but
something went wrong. Please try again.
That's Alexa's telling me crap, but yeah, so you want to test it from there. And then I said if it doesn't work one time, you could try more than once. Doesn't work the first time or the second time, but it will work. So this is what you do. Usually what I notice with the remote service, it doesn't update. It doesn't do the whatever you're controlling, it doesn't do right away. Now there it is. My door is unlocked. It just popped open. Good stuff. And I'm gonna check something else. Let me see if I could check for the say send successfully. Usually you see some weird message. I don't remember what it is, but you see some weird messages. So there you have it. So try it one time. If you don't try it one time, try it 2 times and 3 times and see if it works. Usually the first time it happened to me, it's the 3rd time that I tried it work. Okay, so thank you guys. Subscribe for more videos. I'm going to show you how to code and get that beautiful M sign there. I'm going to show you how to do the phantom mode. I got more videos coming. This is just my first video. So thank you guys.